Curious about what a Disney Resort pool day really looks like? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're taking you behind the iconic main tower for an exclusive up-close look at the pool scene at Disney's Contemporary Resort. Hey there friends, Erika here. Welcome back to our channel. If you've been following along for a while, you already know how much we love a good resort pool day. It's the perfect way to relax and recharge on a Disney vacation, far from the crowded, hectic parks. In fact, we love pools so much that we've mastered the art of sneaking in midday pool breaks without missing out on those rides. Head over to our channel for more park day vlogs showing exactly how we do it. For us, a resort with a great pool is a must. But today we're taking a closer look at Disney's Contemporary Resort pool and why it might not rank as high on everyone's list of top Disney pools. But first, let's do a quick overview of the pool options at this iconic resort. Disney's Contemporary Resort features two pools located along the shores of Bay Lake. The main pool features a 17-foot high water slide with twists and turns that send you plummeting into the waters below. For younger guests, this pool also has a separate kids splash zone with fountains, water cannons, and other features. For those looking for a little more peace and tranquility, you can head over to the quiet pool that overlooks Bay Lake. Both pool areas have a number of seating areas, including rentable private cabanas for that extra luxury and shade. The pool is just steps away from the sandbar, where you can order some bites and some drinks to enjoy poolside. Alright, now let's get into the pros and cons. First up are pros for this pool. This resort pool features both a water slide and a splash zone, which are perfect for groups with varying ages. The water slide is perfect for those looking for a little bit more thrill to their pool day. The splash zone is a great spot for little kiddos, although we should note it's separate from the main pool, so it would be difficult to keep everyone together if you have a group with varying ages. This is one of the coolest and most luxurious perks of a Disney World resort, and not every pool has them. Cabanas can be rented for the day and can cost you around $400 per day. They of course offer shade, reserved seating, but also come with snacks and beverages that you can enjoy during your resort pool day. This was one of the bigger surprises for us. Normally the main pools at Disney World resorts are full of people enjoying some fun in the sun and splashing around in the pool. However, we found this pool to be much less crowded and easier to get seats around the pool deck anytime during the day. The pool wasn't too noisy and it was pretty relaxing reprieve from the crowds of Magic Kingdom or even the rest of the Contemporary Resort. Okay, let's move on to those cons, and there's some pretty big ones here. The Contemporary Resort is known for its Maribel-inspired contemporary theming, as well as those Incredibles rooms, all of which are bright and vibrant. Unfortunately, the pool theming is underwhelming and lackluster. In fact, it's really non-existent. The pool here is just that, a pool, and really nothing more. You won't find any real Disney theming, there'll be no Incredibles characters, and even the vibrancy of the Maribel Mule doesn't make it out to the pool. To say the least, we were extremely disappointed and underwhelmed. Speaking of underwhelming, the food and drinks at the nearby sandbar are keeping up with this particular theme. While it's conveniently located just steps away from the pool, the menu is pretty limited and honestly just not that impressive. To get around this, we often order takeout from Steakhouse 71 or Contempo Cafe, but that means leaving the pool, walking through the resort in our swim gear, and picking up our food alongside other guests. Not ideal when you're paying those premium deluxe prices. Our underwhelming theme continues here with the pool activities. Along with the pool, the Disney resorts often provide their pool guests with the opportunity to play some fun games and vibe to some great music and trivia throughout the afternoons. Now, to be clear, we have nothing against the cast members. We love our Disney cast members and they're what bring the magic to Disney World. But during our 6-night stay, no one really brought the energy to what was a pretty lifeless pool. Not to mention the normal variety of fun activities that we typically experience during our pool days at other resorts was limited to a single game of musical shapes and very little upbeat music. Okay, you're probably thinking, Erika, aren't you being pretty hard on the Contemporary Resorts pool? Well, maybe. But we've spent a lot of time experiencing all type of Disney World pools, and this one was underwhelming and disappointing. Let's face it, if you're paying those deluxe Disney World resort prices and coming here expecting a world-class pool, you're going to be sadly disappointed, and I don't want that for your Disney vacation. Does this pool get the job done? Absolutely. It has the basics, including a decent water slide, a water playground, and snacks. But compared to other Disney deluxe resorts such as Yacht and Beach Club or Animal Kingdom, and even the pool over at the moderate Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, this pool just does not bring the fun and the theming that you'd expect from this iconic Disney World resort. If having an amazing resort pool is at the top of your list, head over to our channel and check out our resort pool review videos. We dive into the pools at Disney's Yacht Club, Animal Kingdom Lodge, Disney's Wilderness Lodge, Caribbean Beach Resort, and so many more that you're surely gonna enjoy. Well friends, that wraps up this Disney Contemporary Resort pool tour and review. We hope this video helps you decide whether this resort is the right one for your group. If it did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. If you're looking for more information on Disney's Contemporary Resort, let us know in the comments and check out our Contemporary Resort playlist over on our channel. We have full resort tours, dining reviews, and so much more. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye guys!